I'm not going to waste your time here. Here's exactly how you can start your winter arc in less than 5 minutes. Step 1. Transform physically. Winter is the perfect time to grind, bulk up, and build serious muscle. While everyone else is slowing down, this is your moment to get ahead. During these colder months, you can focus on packing on size without worrying about staying lean. This is where the real foundation is built. Push heavy weights, increase your calorie intake, and embrace the bulk. It's all about gaining mass now, so when summer comes, you'll be ready to shred down and reveal the hard work you've put in. Success is built when others are resting. Use winter as your advantage. Train harder, eat bigger, and prepare yourself to unveil your best physique when the sun comes back. Step 2. Cut out distraction. It's time to lock in and cut out the distractions. It's time to put down the video games, stop scrolling endlessly on social media, and focus on the grind. This is when you separate yourself from the crowd. While most people waste their time indoors, you need to maximize this period of fewer distractions. Create a disciplined routine, one that keeps you consistent with your workouts, nutrition, and goals. Build habits now that will carry you through the year. Winter is the time to bulk up, to add mass and strength. Focus on heavy lifting, a calorie surplus, and laser-sharp discipline. When summer hits, that's when you can cut down, shred, and reveal all the hard work you've put in. Stay focused now, and the results will speak for themselves later. Step 3. Skill development. Whether it's fitness, calisthenics, something financial like investing, or even something more technical like programming, winter offers the space to lock in and start building. My advice? Dedicate just 1 hour a day to learning something new. Just 1 hour. That small daily investment will stack up over time, and you never know where it might take you. A few months from now, that skill could be a major advantage for you, whether it's helping you achieve your fitness goals, securing a better job, or even setting up future financial success. Use winter as a training ground, a time to plant the seeds of something new. When spring comes, you'll not only have grown physically, but mentally, ready to take on bigger challenges with your new skills. Step 4. Set the foundation. Winter is the time where champions are made. While everyone else is cozying up and wasting time, this is your chance to get ahead. Think of winter as the preparation stage for spring. This is where you lay the foundation for everything you want to achieve next year. Whether it's setting financial goals, mapping out your career moves, or strengthening relationships, the work you put in now will pay off when the season changes. In winter, while others are slacking, you're grinding. This is the season to reflect, to strategize, and to lay the groundwork. By the time spring comes, you'll be miles ahead, already prepared to execute with precision. This is what separates the winners from the losers, the ones who grind in the dark months so they can shine when the sun's back out. Winter is preparation, spring is domination. Step 5. Financial glow up. As we all know, money plays a very important role in all of our lives. Money is very crucial when it comes down to being independent and achieve freedom. And whether you like it or you don't like it, it also has an impact on how attractive you are as a guy. So let's talk about making money. Here are 3 side hustles you can start today. Freelancing. If you've got a skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, sell it on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Businesses are always looking for help. Flipping products. Buy things on eBay or Facebook Marketplace and resell them for profit. People underestimate how simple this is. Social media management. Small businesses need help running their socials. If you know how to create content or grow accounts, you can charge for it. Usually, a lot of your local companies don't even run actual social media pages. So especially for them, you can help them to reach new markets. As I said many times, lay the foundation now, and you'll thank yourself later. Let's get it.